Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MDCA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then it just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. And if you were to say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up there above $2.55. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below $2.55, I am not saying this entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from more so the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play. The famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 255, that would be great. But as far as the big picture is concerned, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance going into Thursday? In the very near term, and I'm not quite sure where it stands, and we'll look at that in here in a second, but very near term and nothing complicated behind this other than the fact that that is where the price stopped going up today, right around 278. But I'm curious, is this the highest it's been? Oh, no, there we are. We have some other, apparently I've done this one before. Let me get that line out of the way. So in the event 278 can be broken, next level of resistance after that would be up there right around about 285. So 278, 285, next couple levels of resistance going forward. But at the end of the day, what matters the most is not necessarily resistance levels, but this right here. Just keep on chipping away with the higher bases. As long as these higher bases are built, or if you want to picture those as stair steps, as long as these stair steps are being built in the upwards direction, then given enough time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. But very nice movement today. We'll see if the bulls can continue to build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.